Andy Schaller and Ashley Tripp.
Good afternoon. When a candidate runs for an elected position such as county commissioner, certain paperwork needs to be filed. However, nowhere in that paperwork is there any individually identifying information required. There is no requirement for a driver's license number, a social security number, or even a voter's registration number. When I filed my paperwork with the County Supervisor of Elections office, I asked who would verify the accuracy and validity of the paperwork. The response I received was, "Your opponent will." I have a letter from the state of Florida. The Division of Elections, a county supervisor of elections, or any other qualifying officer in Florida performs a ministerial function in qualifying candidates. This means they take the qualifying paperwork at face value and have no authority to look beyond the paperwork. Therefore, they do not perform background checks on candidates. Whether a candidate has a criminal record is left up to an opponent, the media, and/or the electorate to determine. In the state of Florida, government of the people for the people means government verified by the people. When I attempted to do the job the state of Florida entrusted with me as an opponent and as a member of the electorate, I was sued in a court of law. It took the jury only about an hour to find unanimously on my behalf. I have been told this is about the shortest amount of time for a jury to reach a unanimous decision. As members of the Canvassing Board and makers of county ordinances, I ask that you give consideration to this topic to prevent any other and all other fellow citizens from defending themselves in court for doing the job the state of Florida has charged them with the responsibility of doing. We have been called Corruption County over and over. I am proud to say that I live in Palm Beach County where the Constitution, the First Amendment, and free speech are not for sale regardless of how much money you have, what law firm represents you, how many times you've taken others to court, or how much your ego drives you to be vindictive. Thank you very much to the jurors who wasted no time in using common sense and for understanding the basics upon which this country was founded. I'd like to turn in some things for the record.
Thank you. Ashley